Well, hello, and welcome everybody to the Content Modeling Show. I'm your host, Marcelo Lewin, the Headless Creator. And let's see if I don't mess this up. There you go. There it is. Marcelo at theheadlesscreator.com. There's my email address. Feel free to send me an email if you have any questions. Today is February 1st. I cannot believe January is out of the way. We officially can stop telling people Happy New Year because it's no longer the New Year, right? I think we have till the end of January to do the Happy New Year thing. And like always, if you guys want to follow me everywhere, feel free to follow me on YouTube, on Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, all over the place. So feel free to follow me there. I really would appreciate it. And today I'm going to show you, let's start first. So this is the episode 21 of the Content Modeling Show. And today we're going to be talking about, let me remove this so you guys can see better. We're going to be talking about visualizing your content models with a website that I found on the Contentful Slack channel, but it's got nothing to do with Contentful, but it is created by somebody that works at Contentful. And the cool thing is I actually have him here to come in as a guest, but I'll bring him in just a second. His name is Ante. And anyway, I'm going to show you that side. But before we do that, as always, here's my website, headlesscreator.com. Feel free to go there. I have many shows. Right now, I have the Content Modeling Show, the Contentful User Show, and the Contentful Dev Show. And you can find under Content Modeling Show right here, you'll find all of the episodes. Episode 21 will be live right after we're done with this, probably 10 minutes after we're done with this. When you click on Watch on Demand, you're going to be able to scroll down here and you'll see links to the actual website and any other resources we share. But that's where you can also find content models. And what I wanted to show you is I actually redesigned this portion a little bit where I kind of made these buttons a little bit nicer. And of course, here's my donate button, which I would highly appreciate it. If anybody, you enjoy the show, feel free to donate. But each episode of the Content Modeling Show is linked to both the Miro, I'll show you here real quick. So the Miro version of the content model right there. So you can see you'll get that whole thing. And now, and we'll introduce Ante in just a minute, to the contentmodel.io link where I'm sharing that. And you can actually use this to import into Contentful. And we'll show you how to do that in just a minute. But anyway, then, of course, you have the other shows, the Contentful User Show and the Contentful Dev Show. The User Show is focused on admins, users, authors, and then the Dev Show, obviously, on developers. Alrighty, so enough of that. Let's remove this, and we'll get Ante here. Hey, Ante.
Hey, Marcelo. Thanks for having me.
Welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much. Let's see. There you go. That's more like a CNN interview now.
Yeah, very exciting.
Welcome to the Headless Creator. I appreciate you being here.
I appreciate your invite. Yeah, I appreciate your work for the community. It's awesome. What you do is awesome, and I hope more people follow you in the future.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Same with your side. We're going to get into it in just a minute, but real quick, give us a little background of you. What do you do at Contentful, and what do you do in general?
Sure. So my name is Ante, and I joined Contentful a year and 3 months ago now, I think. And I joined as a product demo engineer, which is a very interesting role. And it sounded interesting on the paper, and it was interesting in reality. Basically, my role is helping various stakeholders show Contentful in the best light. As you're well aware, Contentful is sometimes pretty scary for editors, and like when you just get started, it needs some kind of a face to it, right? And basically, my role of my team is to help showcase Contentful in the best light possible, and we do that by dog fooding Contentful and creating various projects with it,
like POCs and stuff to show.